The Johnny Pilkington rinnedas na hamána a bear sa tír sta nóchadí.
Johnny Pilkington has come alive.
Éon lá a chuaigh Johnny Pilkington chun parke. Dag sé gacha bhí ina chorp a muhin sin.
Bhí cáilear chomá mar rinnedas de charachtar bevó sa sport. A lean a rialcha féin a gcónaí.
What will it mean if Offaly can win a third McCarthy Cup on Sunday?
It mean a hell of a lot of drinking, Jar.
For a fella that liked the fag and liked the pint, he could certainly get around the place.
We produced the goods, we went off the beer, we went off the cigarettes, and we stayed with our own women.
Ach tá bhír don bearsan dút chuideach dúil seo, bhí fearr a bhad níos móna sanna buint leis mar rinne.
I always thought on reflection with Johnny Pilkington that was just a character that maybe he played up to. I think it did consume him.
He kind of portrayed that image that, that he was happy-go-lucky and it was, party and that was it. But he was completely different. Like the real Johnny Pilkington was one of the most serious hurling men I've come across.
When you're training, that's when you're tuned in. After that, it's your own life. It's an amateur sport. It's not about the be-all and end-all of hurling.